You gonna drive? Here he goes. Stunt baby. You gotta pick your feet up, son. 14-month-old stunt baby. Well, his mom needs to be out here to assist. Good job. Oh, he almost pulled a wheelie of that thing. Where you going, buddy? He's a crazy baby. Baby on a full. He needs to put his feet up on the thing though. See if we can get a close up here. Huh?
Uh-oh. You're headed for a go. Honey. No. Come on. Go.
Come on, buddy. Marshall, come on.
Go.
Here he goes. He's not even watching where he's going. Yeah. Uh-oh. There you go. Come see Daddy.
Go.
Come on.
Go, baby, go.
Come on.
Go.
Here he comes. Gonna give me 5? Give me 5. Good job. Cool, dude. High five. He's a smart boy.
Good
Cool.
job. Come on.
He's a cool kid.
Come on. Are you all done?
Oh, he's all done.
14 months old. Bye. He waved.
Good job.